Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Beer Porn. Today we have a cat that's trying to rub up against the internet. Hey, stop that, Raja. Stop that. We got beer. Lagunitas, the Waldo Special Ale, Triple IPA, 11.7% alcohol, ABV. I try to get a hold of Waldo's each year, and it's usually fairly special. This year is a triple IPA, and I'm looking forward to it. That means it's going to pack a heck of a wallop in the bitterness, and let's see how they do. Oh, melon, some little citrus, pine, all that good stuff. Strong melon, maybe some tropical flavors. See, it's a nice orangey color. Just look at that. That's pretty. And now for the benefit of those of you with flash photography. You're welcome. Okay. Waldo's. Got a really good aroma. Very hoppy. Sweet. Hoppy, bitter, sticky sweet, orange, the melon is there, there's some malt. It's bitter, very bitter, and I like it. I think I'm going to enjoy this. It's a thumbs up. Especially after it warms, maybe it'll give me some more flavor combinations. Maybe it'll mellow out. Maybe it won't. Maybe it will. It probably will. This is good stuff. It's not a cheapy beer, and if you get time, always read the Lagunitas labels because they have funky stuff. Like in 1971, the Waldo's, that one afternoon at 4:19 is to not be late and set off in something blah blah, and it circles all the way around the label. And I'm not gonna read it all. Anyway, that's what we got today. Decent triple IPA. Yeah, thanks for watching, and cheers.